You may be one of those lucky people that would claim to live in a country with free speech, and that may be true. But there's still lots of things that you just can't go around blurting out, even in places like here in the United States. You can't yell fire in a building when it's not burning. That's typically punishable. You can't punch your boss in the face. That's also punishable. Also, that's not words. Although if you live in the Western world, you probably have more freedom and more rights than most other countries or cultures, even the historical ones, these are things worth considering. Some things were perfectly fine to do up until a certain point, and that point was always somebody coming along and ruining that perfectly okay thing. Anyways, I'm Mike with List 25, and these are 25 things that have been completely ruined beyond repair. 25. Toothbrush mustaches. Why? As you can probably guess, Hitler and his henchmen will most likely be responsible for a significant portion of this list. 24. Listening to ISIS, the rock band. All you have to do is watch the news. Seriously, you can't even listen to those songs anymore. Can you imagine explaining your choice of music to the public? Oh, what are you listening to, Billy? Oh, nothing, it's just some ISIS, it's great. 23. Swastikas. For thousands of years, it was considered a symbol of peace and good luck on the Indian subcontinent. And then Hitler came along. In fact, at Hindu weddings, it's not weird to hang swastikas everywhere for good luck. Now just try to imagine a Hindu-Jewish wedding. They happen. Told you Hitler would be back on this list. 22. Ghost costumes. I've got 3 letters for you. K, K, and K. If your white sheet accidentally comes to a point over your head, you might regret your choice of costume later. 21. The name Adolf. Yeah, I'm back to the Nazis and their ruinous legacy. Adolf used to be a perfectly common name. Of course, it's not even legal in some places these days, and so many people had to change their names. Fun fact, my grandfather's name is Abbott, but I always forgot and thought it was Adolf. 20. The phrase, "you only live once." Because ever since super cool teenagers abbreviated and started YOLOing everything, it's not cool anymore. It just isn't. 19. Listening to the Lost Prophets, the band. Lead singer Ian Watkins was convicted for raping babies and sentenced to 29 years in prison. 18. Clowns. Thanks to John Wayne Gacy and Pennywise, clown costumes have joined ghosts in the world of taboo. Or at the very least, you'll need skill to pull it off. 17. Dads being able to take their kids to the playground. Because that's what pedophiles do. Is that your kid? That's not what all those moms on the other bench think. Media takes the blame for this one, considering that most child abuse is done by close relatives. 16. Roman salutes. Because of Hitler. Again. Seriously, this used to even be the Boy Scout salute for a while. I hope we have a picture. I'm not doing it. There better be a picture. 15. Driving white vans. Because just like taking your kid to the playground, you'll probably have people thinking you're a child molester.
That escalated.
14. Trench coats. Because for some reason, school shooters and flashers all gravitated to this once respectable piece of clothing. And yeah, don't forget the Nazis. 13. CrossFit. Because everyone assumes you're some kind of cult thanks to the maniacs who won't ever stop talking about CrossFit. Because you know the number 1 rule of CrossFit? Tell everyone you're doing CrossFit. 12. Being a vegetarian. For the same reason as CrossFit. As they say, how do you know someone's a vegetarian? They'll tell you. And then they'll ruin it for the rest. 11. Fanny packs. These things could legitimately have been useful, but these days you might as well go running down the street yelling, "I'm a naive, got it right this time, and stereotypical American tourist." I said naive.
Very good.
I got it.
You got it.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Oh no!
10.
The word niggardly. Although it has absolutely nothing to do with race or skin color, it means meager and has been around since Old English. Given US history and the term's similarity to other terms,
9.
the name Nimrod. Thanks to Bugs Bunny calling Elmer Fudd Nimrod, the name of this mighty biblical hunter just kind of fell out of favor.
8.
Skinhead style. What used to be a popular style in England during the 60s was basically taken over by none other than the neo-Nazis. Seriously, they'll never stop.
7.
Moderate and reasonable socialism being implemented in the US. Because communism, Russia, Cold War, McCarthyism all completely ruined any hope of that.
6.
Tribal tattoos. Because now, if you're legitimately from a tribe and you are legitimately trying to show tribe pride, people will think you're in CrossFit. See number 12 to understand why that's bad. Go back. You've seen number 12. It's bad.
5.
The name Benedict, in the United States, that is. Benedict Arnold was a general during the American Revolutionary War that betrayed the colonies and changed sides. It's not too often that you run across Benedicts in the US unless you're eating breakfast. Don't eat people named Benedict for breakfast.
4.
The upside down cross. It was originally a Christian symbol of humility when St. Peter asked to be crucified upside down because he felt as though he was not worthy to be crucified in the same way as Jesus. It was even called the Petrine cross. Today, however, it's become associated with Satanism.
3.
Comb-overs. Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
2.
This is oddly shouting speeches in German. You know already.
1.
Single-colored bandanas. Because you never know what gang you're going to be associated with. So, what's something that's been ruined forever for you? Let us know in the comments below, or tweet your answers to us at List25.
What's been ruined for you?
Oh, I thought you were coming up here.
Fine.
Oh god, you've just ruined everything for me.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say something like pig noises.
No,
You like pig noises?
they're fine. We just every list.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Why do you move towards it?
So I can make sure that the mic. Wow, those lights are bright. How do you do this?
I'm a professional, Tristan.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're really
Yes,
not.
I am.
You are so far from being a professional.
not true.
It's crazy how unprofessional you are. It's insane.
In the membrane.
I would say list videos.
Wow. I don't know if anything's been ruined for me. Well, tiki torches now. With that whole...
Yeah.
I saw some the other day, I'm like, I don't want to buy them.
Shouting in German is up there, I guess.
I don't know how specific that one was.
Yeah, that was pretty great.
Having rallies.
But yeah, I'm sure I'll think of some later on, but nothing's
Great.
coming to mind now. No, not like shouting German at rallies. Not gonna put one of those together. But I'll think of some things that have been ruined forever for me. Yeah, cool. What about you?
I have no idea right now.
All right, well
I
that's
honestly
great.
can't think. A lot of these have been ruined.
All right.
So, I got nothing. I'll tweet it. Follow me on Twitter. I'll tweet it.
Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button on the bottom right and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these videos here or just head to our website at list25.com.